Why are orange cats so special? If you have an orange cat, you already know they are different. They steal food, sleep in impossible positions, get stuck in places they climbed into voluntarily, and sometimes act as if they have never experienced a single thought. The internet jokes that all orange cats share one brain cell, but is there any science behind their hilarious reputation? Why are so many orange cats male? Are they really more affectionate and mischievous? And what are those tiny black freckles that appear on their noses and lips? Let's uncover the truth about these lovable little tigers. Orange cats are not a breed. First, an orange cat is not a specific breed. Orange is simply a coat color, just like black, white, or gray. You can find orange Maine Coons, Persians, British Shorthairs, American Shorthairs, and of course, regular domestic cats with no particular breed. They can have short hair, long hair, fluffy tails, round faces, or lean bodies. Two orange cats may look completely different and still share that beautiful ginger color. They also have many nicknames. Some people call them ginger cats, marmalade cats, red cats, or even mini tigers. In the cat world, their official color is usually called red, although most of us would definitely describe it as orange. Why are they orange? Scientists knew for a long time that orange coloring was inherited, but the exact cause remained a mystery. Then, in 2025, researchers finally found the answer. Orange cats have a tiny change in their DNA that tells their fur cells to produce a warm, reddish-yellow pigment instead of dark brown or black pigment. Think of it as switching the ink inside a printer. Instead of printing the fur in black or brown, the cat's body selects orange. Other genes then adjust the final shade. That is why some cats are pale cream, while others look golden, copper, or almost red. And yes, plenty of other animals can have reddish or orange fur. We see it in red foxes, orangutans, tigers, and even some dogs. But orange coloring works differently in cats. The genetic switch responsible for our domestic ginger cats appears to be especially unusual. That may be why their bright orange coats look so distinctive. Why are most orange cats male? This is one of the most interesting facts about orange cats. The instructions for orange fur are carried on the X chromosome. Male cats usually have only one X chromosome. If that one chromosome carries the orange instructions, the male will be orange. Females usually have two X chromosomes. To be completely orange, a female normally needs to inherit the orange instructions from both parents. If she receives orange from only one parent, she will often develop a mixture of orange and dark fur, creating a tortoiseshell or calico coat. This is why orange males are much more common than orange females. You may have heard that about 80% of orange cats are male. That is a popular estimate, although the exact percentage can change between different cat populations. So, female orange cats are not extremely rare, but they are less common and a little extra special. Are all orange cats tabbies? Here is another surprise. Practically all orange cats are tabbies. Tabby is not a breed. It is the pattern of stripes, swirls, spots, or markings on a cat's coat. Some orange cats have bold tiger stripes, others have large swirls, little spots, or very soft markings that are difficult to see. Even an orange cat that looks almost solid will usually have faint lines somewhere on the face, legs, or tail. Look at the forehead, and you may find the famous tabby M. Then check the tail for rings and the face for lines around the eyes and cheeks. Of course, orange cats can also have white paws, white chests, or large white areas, but the orange parts will normally reveal some type of tabby pattern, so every orange cat is secretly, or not so secretly, a miniature tiger. What are those black freckles? Has your orange cat developed tiny brown or black spots on the nose, lips, gums, or eyelids? Do not immediately panic. These spots are often harmless freckles called lentigo. They can begin appearing when a cat is young, sometimes around 1 year old, and more may develop as the cat gets older. They are especially common in orange and cream cats, as well as cats with orange patches. And no, they are not caused by spending too much time in the sun. They are different from the sun-related freckles humans may develop. Normal lentigo spots are flat and do not hurt or bother the cat. However, if a spot becomes raised, swollen, crusty, painful, starts bleeding, or changes quickly, ask your veterinarian to examine it. Not every dark mark is automatically a harmless freckle. But in most cases, those little spots simply give an orange cat even more character. Are orange cats really wild and mischievous? Now we reach the question every orange cat parent wants answered. Are orange cats naturally chaotic? The honest scientific answer is, we do not know, and coat color alone probably does not control personality. Some surveys show that people describe orange cats as friendly, affectionate, confident, and easy to train. But these studies usually depend on what owners say about their cats. That means they measure our opinions as well as the cat's actual behavior. Scientists have not proven that the orange color gene makes a cat funnier, friendlier, less intelligent, or more likely to fall into a bathtub. Personality is shaped by many things, including the cat's early experiences, socialization, environment, health, age, and individual temperament. The fact that most orange cats are male may also influence the stereotype. People may be noticing traits that are more common in the male cats they have known and connecting those traits with orange fur. And then there is social media. When a calm orange cat spends 6 hours sleeping peacefully, nobody notices. But when an orange cat steals a chicken nugget, falls off the counter, crashes into a lamp, and then returns for the nugget, millions of people watch the video. We remember the chaos and forget all the perfectly sensible orange cats. So your orange cat may genuinely be adventurous and hilarious. We simply cannot say that every orange cat receives a mischief gene along with the orange one. Are orange cats more common in the countryside? Some research in France found more orange cats in certain rural areas than in nearby cities. Researchers believe differences in how free-roaming cats live and reproduce might help explain this. But this does not mean orange cats prefer farms, nor does it prove that every rural area has more of them. There's also no official country where orange cats dominate. They live all over the world, and their numbers can vary from one community to another. Orange is not an exotic or extremely rare color, but its unusual genetics, especially the difference between males and females, makes it far more interesting than it first appears. Why do we love them so much? Maybe it is their warm color, their tiny tiger stripes, or their expressive faces. Maybe it is because orange cats remind us of sunshine, autumn leaves, pumpkins, and cozy days. That could explain why so many are named Pumpkin, Mango, Peaches, Cheeto, Nacho, or Marmalade. Or perhaps orange cats are simply very good at making themselves unforgettable. Science cannot confirm that every orange cat is a lovable agent of chaos. But if yours is currently yelling for food after already eating, sitting inside a box that is much too small, or preparing to knock something off a shelf while looking directly at you, the stereotype may feel surprisingly accurate. What is your orange cat's name? And what is the funniest thing they have ever done? Tell us in the comments. And if you enjoyed discovering the truth about these miniature tigers, please like the video and subscribe for more fascinating cat stories. Until next time, give your little orange tiger an extra cuddle, and we'll see you in the next video.